Hello everybody. We started getting snow last night with a lot of wind, and it's finally starting to taper off. It's about 3 o'clock now, but I got to keep opening my doors so that this is all a big drift right here. It drifts up around the house like that. I've got another one in the backyard here. Again, this kind of blows across here. A lot of drifting. There's a big drift behind my neighbor's cars over there. I don't know if you can see them or not, but they got a big drift around their back of their cars. This wind we're getting gusts of 30 to 40 mile an hour. It's been a mess this morning. I gotta keep kicking this stuff away. Otherwise I can't get my door open. But it's gonna get worse as far as cold. They're talking wind chills Saturday and Sunday and Monday and Tuesday of really high wind chills. And I'm talking 40 below wind chill. And the high is only supposed to be like 0 and 1 below. It's not good. In a way, we're kind of snowed in, tell you the truth. One of my cars started this morning, the other one wouldn't, so I jumped it. I got it started, but with this cold, I don't know what it's going to do. They're saying Wednesday might warm up to 24. That might be the only time that I really get. I got to brush off my shoes so I don't track in the house. We still have a lot of snow from the first part of the week. Is a wet snow, and then it got some more dry snow on top of it, and I got scooped out, and now it's snowing again. I got to scoop again, and I got to keep opening my door. The side of the porch here on both sides is about even. There's that much snow there. And we're talking that area there, from the ground to the top of the porch is probably 30 inches. So it's not going to be fun digging ourselves out of this. Especially with the wind chills and everything. Like I say, they aren't talking. It's going to warm up until Wednesday, and some places they've even pulled in the road plows because it's kind of useless to try and plow it, and then it just blows over again. So that's about all I got for now. We'll catch you later. Stay warm.
kind of a spooky day, and I had already made that painting, so it was kind of what we had. I mean, I'm not sorry for making the painting, I just didn't want to feel like putting another storm out there. But, so today I decided I want to warm things up, figuratively, and build a fireplace.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running.
I just want to make sure it's good and solid on there. Okay. Two. I should do one more. So I can stack them up in a nice little stack of three. I dug my fingernail in. I figured, well, okay, I'll use that. Nice little stack. Okay. And I'll use some pieces of toothpick under there to use as kindling. Had to think of the word. Kindling. To dry anyway. I've got things ready. That's the most important thing. So, love you. See you tomorrow. There's your smile and wave. Be sure and share that. Don't go out in the snow. Just share it out the window. Hopefully nobody's out in the snow. So, but not all of you are in the snowy region, so just take care of